Hi, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 best nickel commodity Forex brokers. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Nickel is a solid, lustrous, silvery white metallic element, which is strong, ductile, magnetic, and resistant to corrosion. Nickel has a high melting point and catalytic properties. Nearly 2/3 of all nickel produced goes into stainless steel, and a particular variety of stainless steel, which contains significant quantities of nickel, is known as austenitic steel. Many common products often contain austenitic steel, such as automotive trim, cookware, cutlery, food and beverage equipment, and more. Nickel is produced from 2 main sources, mainly mining and recycling. Overall, economic activity, particularly in the industrial sector, will affect the demand for nickel. The use of nickel in stainless steel alloys for building projects is a market segment which deserves close attention. Stainless steel nickel alloys are used to produce durable structures which is protected against corrosion. Traders who are looking to find a list of some of the best nickel commodity forex brokers who facilitate the trading of this commodity might find it a difficult process, especially when searching for a reliable, safe, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So, in this video, we are going to be going through some of the top 5 best nickel commodity forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is an online fully regulated financial broker, which is recommended for beginner traders, is regulated by the SEC in Cyprus, the ASIC in Australia, and offers beginners enhanced risk management tools, fixed spreads on all Forex pairs, all on an easy-to-use Forex trading platform. EasyMarkets specializes in trading through Forex, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, precious metals, and indices. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4, and the EasyMarkets Web platform and mobile application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts are available on standard, VIP, and premium accounts with fixed spreads, lower minimum deposits, no commissions, over-the-phone customer support, a variety of trading safety and insight features, and more. EasyMarkets also provides their very own educational academy, which features educational trading courses, their very own educational video series, as well as a variety of ebooks that cover topics such as technical analysis, trading psychology, guides in platform functionality, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional education with EasyMarkets. At number 4 on our list is Forex.com. Forex.com is a one-stop shop for Forex traders, providing a massive range of tradable currencies, low account minimums, and an impressive trading platform. Forex.com offers services and specializes in trading through Forex, indices, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, as well as Forex.com's advanced trading platform for web, Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are provided on standard, commission, direct market access, and swap-free accounts, with access to their web and mobile platforms, lower Forex fees, a variety of tradable currencies, an active trader program, and more. Forex.com also provides their very own educational learning center, which delves into a wide variety of educational themes, such as risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, a beginner's trading guide that features educational videos, as well as webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with Forex.com. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker, which was founded in 2006, is regulated by the Central Bank of Ireland, the ASIC, FSA, FSB, and the BVI. Over 200,000 traders choose Avatrade for their preferred financial broker. Avatrade specializes in trading through more than 250 instruments, which include more than 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, cryptocurrencies, commodities, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread bidding, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, Avatrade's WebTrader, and also features their very own mobile applications known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, as well as a variety of ebooks that you can browse through if you are looking for a more in-depth educational experience with Avatrade. At number 2 on our list is EasyMarkets. EasyMarkets is an online Forex, ECN, and CFD broker regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, as well as the Seychelles Financial Services Authority. EasyMarkets specializes and offers services in trading across Forex, commodities, indices, bonds, cryptocurrencies, stocks, and futures. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts feature demo, raw spread, and standard accounts, with lower starting deposits, lower spreads, up to 64 tradable currency pairs, demo accounts, swap-free accounts, and more. EasyMarkets also provides their very own educational panels, which delve into beginners' guides to getting started with trading, a range of articles and written educational content, which covers trading lessons, analysis and news, as well as a variety of educational videos and webinars that you can sign up to if you are looking to expand your trading knowledge with EasyMarkets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best nickel commodity Forex brokers, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 best nickel commodity forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next. And let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.